Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do something disappear in water. It's not magic, it's science. Let's start. First, you take a paper and then you can draw whatever you want. I'm going to color this egg. It's done. Cut the shape out carefully. Don't forget to ask adults' help if you need scissors. Now we put the egg inside the plastic bag and then seal it. Now watch closely. I am going to do magic. Put this plastic bag inside the water. Where the egg go? It's disappear. Wow, that's amazing. But what happened? Was it magic? No, it's not magic. It's science. The trick is called refraction. Light usually travels straight, but when it moves through water, I get confused. You can try this at home too. Thank you for watching. Hope you like disappearing science trick. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun videos.